part. Okay, so that's why hence basically range how to count very easily. Suppose function count that is equal to modulus x. Here that is you can do the domain of the function or df is equal to what? The real number. And the range of the function that is equal to count, that is rf, which is equal to, that means real positive including that is 0 you can do. So that's why this is simply you can do. If other question comes, how will do? Other question like, suppose some trigonometric question is given. Suppose fx is given, that is a sin x is given. So you can do that is a simple domain of the function that is equal to real number, and the range of the function you can do -1 to 1. If the question is some twisted, means the question is given in this way, like fx is equal to a sin x plus b cos x plus c in this way. Then what will it do? Then what is the range? How can you say that easily? What is the range? That some technique is there. What is the technique? You have to apply that technique very easily within 2 seconds. मतलब less than से भी हो सकता है. Very easily you have to calculate very easily and also find out the range. What the technique comes? The technique is here. If the function is given, what the function? Now fx is equal to a sin x plus b cos x plus c is there. And what is the range? A square plus b square का root over minus plus c, comma a square plus b square का root over plus c. Simple plus minus का अंदर रहेगा. Just like you think about the question. What the question comes? Fx is equal to 3 sin x, okay, minus 2 cos x plus suppose 4 is given. So what we will do that time, you can do very easily. That means the range is equal to, what is the range? That means minus a square. This is 3 is a here. 3 is a. This is a. This means here a. This is a. Where minus to b, this is equal to b. This is equal to c. So that, so minus 3 square plus minus 2 का square का root over plus c4. Then that is equal to 3 का square plus minus 2 का whole square root over plus 4. This is range. Simple you can find. Minus this is equal to 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 that is 13 root over plus 4, and this is equal to similarly 13 root over plus 4. This is the range comes. If the question asks similarly, if the question in this way comes, that means fx is equal to, that is 4 sin x plus, okay, plus 3 cos x plus 1 comes. And that time you can do range is equal to, what will do? That means minus 4 का square plus 3 का square plus 1, then comma, that is equal to 4 square plus 3 square, okay, root over plus 1. This is closed interval. Means you can say this is minus 5 plus 1, close. This is the 5 plus 1. So that's why you can say minus 4, then 6 kanda. That is the range come. This is the closed interval. Minus 4 say 6 kanda. This is range will come. This is a technique which can implement in IIT JEE question. Okay, very easily, आसान तरीका से you can do. So that is the helpful to your exam also. Another technique you can do, another question if you do, then what will do? Then now the question is there. Suppose question is that is x minus 4 ka root over fx is given. What is the domain? Here x minus 4 always greater than equal to 0 because it cannot be negative. This is a real valued function. So that is if that value comes x is greater than equal to 4. That means here domain of the function, that means x is greater than equal to 4 means x is belongs to 4C infinity under. This is a domain. Domain of the function is equal to 4C infinity. Similarly, you can do. This means here if that is x minus 4 is greater than equal to 0, square root both sides, what will do? That is a 0 comes. Means x minus 4 ka root of is greater than equal to 0 comes. What this value? This is equal to y value. That's why y is greater than equal to 0. Means y is belongs to, that is 0 से infinity के अंदर. That means what the range of the function means 0 से infinity this comes. In some question, technical question, if you given, that is easy question, but technically you can do. What will the different another is technically. Now take the technical question 6 minus x by x minus 6. Here you have to find the domain and the range. How can you do? That means here you cannot cut it fast. For finding the domain, don't cut it. Okay, that means if you cutting, that is value minus 1 comes. So that's why you cannot cut. So first of all, here x minus 6 does not equal to 0. That means because x is not equal to 0. That's why here domain of the function is equal to real minus what does not is equal to 6. Real minus 6. So that's why domain is equal to real minus 6. Means x 6 नहीं होगा, नीचे 6 हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा, नीचे 0 हो जाएगा, डिवीजन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो दैट्स व्हाई इसको छोड़ के जो होता है, तो रियल से 6 को माइनस कर दिया. सम क्वेश्चन सम पर्सन एक्चुअली स्टूडेंट क्या करते हैं, मैं इसको काट देते हैं, ओहो वैल्यू -1 आ जाता है, तो डोमेन है रियल नंबर. नो नो नो, you cannot do that. Okay, you have to do first, okay, finding the domain, next comes. So what we will do now? Now here let y is equal to fx. That means what? X minus 6, that -1 by x minus 6, that value is -1. Then what will the range? What is the range is here? Range, so y always comes, that is equal to -1. Then what is the range? So range only that is equal to -1. That single value -1 comes. That range is single value minus. So what is the range? And range is that is the -1. Simple one, -1 comes. Here what will the question come? X square minus 16 by x minus 4. Then what will the, okay, what will the domain? So domain comes, that is the domain of the function. Simple here, x minus 4 not equal to 0. Means x not equal to 4. Means you can say real -4 is the domain. Let's take y is equal to f of x is equal to x square minus 16 by x minus 4, means x minus 4 into x plus 4. Now cut it. That is x minus 4 comes. Now deduct this. After that x plus 4 comes. Means here x cannot be 4. X cannot be 4. Means x cannot be 4. x value इधर 4 नहीं डाल सकते. x value 4 नहीं डाल सकते, मतलब so x y cannot be, y नहीं हो सकता है 6, y 6 भी नहीं हो सकता. x is not equal to 6 नहीं 8. y cannot be 8 and x cannot be 4. So that's why what is the domain, sorry, range and y. Now what is the range? The range comes, that is equal to real minus 8. Real minus 8. But the range, the real -8 comes. Okay, because y not to be, that is 8. This is the technique to do. And Now here, that is 9 minus x square is given, suppose. That means 9 minus x square always greater than equal to 0. So that 9 is greater than equal to x square. So that you can say minus 3 less than equal to x less than equal to, that is 3. Means here x square is less than equal to 9. This is the inequality technique. So that x comes in between minus 3 से 3 के अंदर वो रहेगा. Similarly here, that is let you take that y is equal to, this is here domain of the function, means here minus 3 से 3 हमको मिल गया. Similarly y is equal to 9 minus x square, okay, y square is equal to this, which is greater than equal to 0. Means you can say now here x square is equal to 9 minus x square, 9 minus y square. So here that means x is equal to 9 minus y square. That means the root of, that means what we'll do here, 9 minus y square, okay, is greater than equal to 0, and y square is greater than equal to 0. That's why that is y square is 9 is greater than equal to y square is greater than equal to 0. Means 3 is greater than equal to y is greater than equal to 0 comes. Then what is the range? Range of the function is equal to 0 से okay 3 का अंदर. The value comes 0 से 3 का अंदर. If you take the number line concept, so what is the value? This is minus 3, this is 3. Then inside that, this the negative value will come. What the value come? This is negative. Only this value comes. This is a positive. This is a negative. This is a negative comes. If this comes, simple, the negative part will not come. Only 0 से 3 तक इधर आएगा. 0 से 3 तक the range value आएगा according to concept. That is another question, that is specific question, that is specific. If the question is given that f(x) is equal to 3 by 2 minus x square, let you take that is equal to y. So that means here that is 3 is equal to 2y minus x square y. That means you can say that 3 x square y is equal to 2y minus 3, means x square is equal to 2y minus 3 divided by that is y comes. So that's why here x value is equal to 2y minus 3 by y ka root over. This is the value. From that value, how can you find out the, here you know that x square always greater than equal to 0. That's why एक बात. दूसरा बात है क्या ना y cannot be equal to 0. दो हम इसको लिख सकते हैं 2y minus 3 by y, इधर y स्क्वायर कर दिया and y multiplication कर दिया. That also greater than equal to 0 comes. That also greater than equal to 0 comes because here y. Now you take it. That is means what the value. Now this value comes 2y minus 3 is into y is greater than equal to 0. You take it. Whatever value inside minus infinity 0, 3 by 2 से infinity का अंदर. हम इसको क्या ना equal to 0 ले ले, 0 ले point मिल गया. So after taking that point in the number line, you think about the question. So inside that, inside the whatever value, suppose -1 put, -1 put करने ये पॉजिटिव आता है. दिस इज ओके. सिमिलरली 0 and 3/2 के अंदर सपोज कुछ डालेंगे तो ये नेगेटिव आता है. सपोज इसके अंदर कुछ डालेंगे वो तो पॉजिटिव आता है. So that's why this is positive, this is negative. That means the range is equal to 0 से minus infinity. This is minus 3/2 से infinity will come. This is the range. So what is the range here? That is minus infinity 0. Why it is 0? Because y could not be 0. Y is not equal to 0. That's why you cannot take the closed interval concept. So union 3/2 that is not given here. So that's why 3/2 closed interval. Similarly, many questions, okay, are given in different technique. Okay, you have to apply specific technique in specific question. Okay, so similar type of question if you come, the technique you have to apply. Okay, very easily you can do, and you can secure more and okay score in your exam. That means okay. So now you subscribe my channel. If you are till now not subscribed, you subscribe and give the more support by taking that is comments and like. So better and more updated video will come with exam oriented video will come in next video. Thank you.